Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best DJI Action Cam is probably one of the most versatile action cameras on the market, perfect for capturing your adventures in stunning detail. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a casual user, this camera offers a range of features designed to elevate your content. From its compact design to its impressive image stabilization, the DJI Action Cam is ready to go wherever you do, ensuring you never miss a moment. Number 5. DJI Osmo Action 4K Action Cam. This action camera features dual screens, making it easy to frame your shots. The front screen is perfect for selfies, while the back screen provides a clear display for all your footage. With rock-steady technology, you'll get incredibly stable footage. This feature combines electronic image stabilization with complex algorithms to ensure your videos are shake-free, no matter the action. Capture stunning 4K HDR videos with the 12MP camera. It has a wide 145 degrees angle, allowing you to capture more of the scene in every shot. Record every detail with 8x slow motion at 1080p resolution. You can also condense time and movement with the time-lapse feature, creating impressive results effortlessly. The Osmo Action is waterproof up to 11 meters. It's also designed to perform in temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius, making it a versatile companion for any adventure. The package includes the DJI Osmo Action Camera, a camera frame, various mounts, a battery case, a locking screw, and a USB-C cable. The DJI Mimo app is compatible with iOS 10.0 and Android 7.0 or above. It supports a wide range of devices, including various iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, Huawei, and other popular smartphones. What we like. This camera boasts dual screens, making it super easy to frame your shots. It also features rock-steady stabilization, ensuring your footage is smooth and steady. If you are looking for a versatile action camera that can handle anything you throw at it, this is the one for you. What people say. The image quality is excellent, with vibrant colors and sharp details. The stabilization is top-notch, providing smooth footage even in action-packed scenarios. The camera is compact and easy to mount on various accessories. Number 4. DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. This camera is small enough to fit in your pocket, ready to capture amazing videos in seconds. It's perfect for those moments when you need to record something quickly and easily. Active Track 3.0 keeps your subject in focus, even when they're moving fast. This feature ensures that the camera automatically tracks and keeps them centered in the frame. With 4K 60 frames per second video and 64MP photos, this camera captures everything in stunning detail. The 3-axis stabilization ensures your footage is smooth and steady. Designed for vlogging, it features a 93 degrees FOV and 20mm focal length, ideal for selfies and creating engaging content. It helps you create amazing vlogs. Get inspired with various templates and automatic editing tools. Amazing videos are easy to create with this camera. What we like. This camera is incredibly portable, fitting right in your pocket. It also features Active Track 3.0, which keeps your subjects in focus. If you're a vlogger or someone who loves to capture life on the go, this compact camera is perfect for you. What people say. The image quality is fantastic. The stabilization is really good. The camera is very easy to use. Number 3. GoPro Hero 9 Black Action Camera. This camera shoots stunning video with up to 5K resolution. It maintains serious detail even when zooming in. The new 23.6MP sensor brings lifelike image sharpness and fluid motion. Capture crisp, pro-quality photos with 20MP clarity. With Super Photo, it automatically picks the best image processing for you. It's super easy to nail the shot. A new, larger rear touchscreen with touch zoom should feel instantly familiar. A dazzling new front display makes for easy framing and intuitive camera control. It has 30% longer battery life thanks to a larger 1720 mAh battery. This lets you shoot more without having to swap out batteries. It packs enough juice to power your camera through the cold. Experience ultimate smoothness with our most advanced video stabilization ever. Hypersmooth 3.0 enables in-camera horizon leveling and boost in all settings. What we like. This camera shoots stunning 5K video, perfect for capturing every detail. It also has a front display for easy framing. If you like to capture high-quality footage and want a user-friendly experience, this is the camera for you. What people say. The image quality is fantastic. The stabilization is amazing. The camera is very easy to use. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, 4K action camera. This camera features a new 1.3 sensor, perfect for low-light conditions. It's great for capturing nighttime adventures, even in the darkest environments. The 4nm chip ensures fast and reliable framing. It keeps fast-moving subjects centered, whether you're shooting in 16:9 or 9:16. You'll need to activate it in the DJI Mimo app. Please scan the QR code on the camera screen to download the latest version of the app for the best experience. With voice commands always on standby, it's easy to capture every moment. Enjoy optimal recognition within 1 meter, making recording fun and simple. Experience up to 4 hours of extended battery life. It's ideal for all scenarios, ensuring continuous performance and unbroken recording. Enjoy vibrant, true-to-life colors with dual OLED touchscreens. Crisp viewing ready for any scenario makes outdoor recording and rewatching fun again. Achieve steady, high-quality footage with 360 degrees horizon steady. It's ideal for vlogging and capturing sports from any perspective, no matter how shaky things get. What we like. This camera features a new 1.3 sensor for stunning low-light performance. It also offers 4K 120 frames per second video for capturing fast-paced action. If you are into sports or vlogging, this camera will be your best friend. What people say. The image quality is excellent, with vibrant colors and sharp details. The stabilization is very effective, resulting in smooth footage even during action-packed activities. The camera is compact and easy to mount on various accessories. Number 1. DJI RS2 Combo 3-Axis Gimbal Stabilizer. Introducing the DJI RS2, a gimbal designed for both DSLR and mirrorless cameras. It boasts an impressive 10 pounds tested payload while weighing only 2.3 pounds, offering an unmatched weight-to-payload ratio. The RS2 features monocoque carbon fiber axis arms. This construction provides incredible strength and lightness, making it durable and easy to handle. The integrated LCD screen allows you to quickly adjust parameters and access features of the Ronin app. You can even use ActiveTrack 3.0 directly from the touchscreen, giving you more creative control. The DJI RS2 is a professional filmmaking solution. You can integrate it with a car, jib, or slider, and control it from a distance. It has a dual-layer camera mounting plate compatible with Manfrotto and Arca-Swiss standards. A fine-tuned balancing knob helps you achieve the perfect balance for your setup. The DJI RS2 is compatible with a wide range of cameras from brands like Sony, Nikon, Canon, Panasonic, and Fujifilm. The Ronin app supports iOS 11.0 and Android 7.0 or above. What we like. This gimbal can handle up to 10 pounds, making it compatible with a wide range of cameras. It's built with carbon fiber for incredible strength and lightness. If you're a professional filmmaker or content creator, this gimbal will help you achieve smooth, cinematic shots. What people say. The image quality is excellent, with vibrant colors and sharp details. The stabilization is top-notch, providing smooth footage even in challenging conditions. The camera is compact and easy to use, making it ideal for on-the-go shooting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.